making of sacrifice to Ògún, the Lord of Irons. Whereas Ògún priests are present there, Ògún is a great Orisha according to Yoruba beliefs. Ògún helps in conquering enemies and so on. Through Orisha Ògún, people are able to have different kind of protection, such as bulletproof oath, cutlass proof, and other spiritual and physical protection, especially in conquering of enemies. Ògún best food was dog, palm wine, roasted beans and corn with roasted yam, palm wine and alcohol, etc. Ògún is a kind of Orisha that helps people, especially during the war. Ògún is a Orisha that benefits and fortify people when there is war around, especially while on the battlefield. Ògún renders help to his descendants in order to conquer when they wages war against another rural area or villages like that. So in that olden days, our forefathers, they usually makes sacrifice to Ògún before going out or taking any action, whether they want to go to the war to fight, they want to go for anything that this with great thing that might result into loss of life, they will make offering to Ògún first. After they make this offering, Yoruba's people in Nigeria, they believe that after they make this offering, they have seek for permission from Ògún, the Lords of Iron. That is their outing, their mission that they want to carry out to be accomplished. They have to make sacrifice and appeasement and giving homage to Ògún, the Lords of Iron. By doing this, they will make sure they cast kola nut to ask whether the outing will be good or bad, so as not to resort into anything bad, so as not to meet anything that can attack or hurt them during the war. So, or whether they are traveling, maybe there will not be any means of accident during the traveling. They will firstly make an appeasement and homage to Ògún before taking any action or going to any travel. So Ògún was also one of a Orisha that has mysterious power. Although Ògún, as we usually say in Yoruba, that Ògún lákáyé, it means that Ògún was a great deity. Ògún was a great Orisha. Ògún lákáyé ọ̀sìnmọ́lẹ̀ ọjọ́mọ olúwọ̀nrán kókòrò tí ìlú tòjò tẹ̀rẹ̀. Ògún was a great Orisha, as I said earlier. Then they beheaded the dog. They will behead it once. After they behead the dog once for Ògún, and it was being accepted, then they will continue with the prayers and everybody will be rejoicing. That is Ògún.